Let's look at the guest posting business model. Most of you guys probably were looking for ways in the SEO industry. I've started my career in SEO. I've been SEO consultant. Started back in 2013. SEO was really easy. You can do money back guarantees to clients, and in a month, sites rank. That's where I found out the PBNs, the private blog networks, building the links and easy in a way. That was too easy, wasn't really good. I would say the Google was evolving at that time, so SEO was easy. Things changed, things really got changed right now. To get a client, rank it, and go about it, it's taken quite of a time, but however it's doable. But if you're starting as a one man, a person want to build an SEO business, and you think you want to build a business that's going to get you clients in the SEO industry, I have good news for you. One of the best things for you to get started initially is because you want to get the money rolling. Otherwise, you're like, okay, I'm building the clients. You're not having the money enough going on. So just posting business model, because that will get you going. And it's very easy to start. Even though if you don't have websites, what you can do is like you can reach out to people who have business websites and try to deal your way. Initially, it might be hard to keep at a big margin and sell it, but once you start working, when you get good prices, and after all, hundreds of sites at ClickDo, you can just email to jill@clickdo.co.uk, ask Dinesh, ask Manuela, or even just email to me, Fernando@clickdo.co.uk. I'll link up with the people, and you can get some of the best sites plus the top sites, which is the very high, which are sellable. That's a high ticket sale. They go for like 1,000 to 3,000 plus level. You know what are those sites I'm talking about, like highest authority sites you can get across. And it's something easy to get started. The guest posting business model is the best business model for anybody in the SEO industry. If you are new, you're learning SEO, but you want to make money quickly, because so many SEO consultants, agents in countries like UK, US are looking for that. There is a way how you send them an email, professional email, introducing yourself. It's really good if you're doing it really at a professional level by having a website of yourself, and you have who you are, you have even a video how you can do that. But that really converts, because a lot of people how do the guest posting business model is just shooting an email. Hi, I have a list of sites. Please buy. Oh my goodness, like on LinkedIn, I see so many people bugging me all day long. Every day is like, some people really chase, some people then find me on Facebook and also try to, they're like, that's really begging, that's not converting, that's also not the way to really do the business. Because how you need to do, you position yourself. There are Facebook groups, PB and Demystified SEO consultant group, there are so many SEO groups, but it's very crowded right now. If you want to stand out how you do it, you build yourself as an SEO person, SEO consultant. Even if you're not expert yet, you got to position yourself as you know the SEO. You have your website and say what you're doing. Have a name. Start with a name. That's going to evolve. That's how I did with ClickDo. I started it as I thought like ClickDo is good. What we do is like clicking and doing it online. So I just started it and ended up becoming an agency, and still to a brand, still running, guys are running it. So if you think in that way, if you're entering to the SEO industry, that's going to take you a long way. That's my advice about it. Like, get a domain name, think in a business name, and get started. If you really don't have yourself, you start with your name. I started my first website, fernandobiz.com. I'm into business. I was reading business, love business. So I went about starting business. So, and then ClickDo, Seeker Host, Fernando Raymond, so many business domains and everything comes across later. So you don't have to worry. You can even change the domain name later. So you build it up, you put yourself, your SEO expertise, who you are, list of some of the sites. Maybe don't show the domain name, show the stats. Because when you email, even though on the email you mention, but if you have your signature with your website, they're going to check it. That's something I do, even though I don't reply or buy. Even if I didn't, I buy it. So when I see the website, if the website is really good, I tend to inquire, because I'm like, this is a professional person. Because even on your website alone, you can get it converted. Because if your website looks good, you have good blog articles and everything. Guys, this is the easiest thing at right now. It's working. Everybody can make $1,000, period. Everybody can make it. But if you don't know, drop a comment in the video, ask me how you can actually do that one. You find a list of sites, you look at for people who own the websites, get the best price from you. You hit them up, you try to email, you try to call them, and you just say like, I'm a guest posting seller and I want a best price. Don't sell me to this price, because ClickDo articles would normally sell at 150 to 300 per publication, right? But you can really arrange a call with us, be the person, tell you're going to bring more orders and get a better price that you can keep a markup from like 30, 50 if you're really selling per pounds per article. That's making money, right? If you sell 20, how much you make? You're making £1,000 a month. It's so sellable. You look for sites with normally 40 to plus DR, domain authority, which people DA, which people look for. Href is one of the ways people looking into that. And then if you can showcase these sites have actual authority plus traffic, and I can get you the publication for the best price. People buy myself. People really buy this one. There is a very strategic way. I see thousands and thousands of people doing this. Even right now, the reason I want to do this video, I've seen so many emails and the inbox, even they're hitting me straight away, Fernando at clickdo.co.uk, saying like they have a list of sites, but your email doesn't look professional because your email is like, hi, list of sites, please buy. Dude, that doesn't happen that way. How you need to do, you need to nicely package, starting with your website, your brand name. You want to really take things to next level. Google my name, Fernando Raymond. See how it appears with the books and the stuff and all. If you get that, that's an article is going up soon. Maybe it's already gone up by the time you're seeing how to get the knowledge panel and why every person in the SEO industry should focus on getting that self. There is a very strategic process. If you want, book a call with Manuela and we will explain. It's really easy if you want to do. We figure it out a very fast way, even not just myself. Of course, I've been in the web for so long. We showed even Manuela's how it appears if you Google her name, and there is a strategic approach to do that one. So if you have that, and if you strike with an email to an inbox from an SEO consultant, SEO agency, on a PR agency, on a business owner, in the influencer, they want to work with you, man. You're making money if you do that one. So take this pretty seriously because it's doable. It's doable. Guest posting business model works very well. Right now it's hot. Make as money as possible right now. We're making thousands and thousands of pounds a month in different departments. Guys doing that on our own side. We have so many sites. UK Business Blog, London Business News, UK Tech Blog, UK News Blog, UK Educational Blog, UK SEO Blog. All those blogs are ranking pretty high. UK Business Magazine.co.uk ranks literally in front for nationwide for UK Business magazines and various keywords. So we have all those properties owned by ClickDo, and you can always reach out to those properties and get a better price. You can just email to me, Fernando at clickdo.co.uk. I'll link up with the website manager for each property, and you can get the best price. I would say email, but be a person you want to talk. That's where you can be persuasive. That's where you can really say like, guys, give me the best price, I will sell. That's how you do business. Emailing is fine. That's to open the door and warm them up and kind of say if they're really busy. But if you can get them on a call, you get the best price. And if you have already got yourself as a website, you are in the SEO industry, you showcase yourself, they want to work with you. So I hope this got an idea for you. If it's not really clear for you, drop a comment, ask me any questions on this video. I'll explain to you how you can actually get started, but that's the principle. How you brand yourself, position yourself, build up a brand name, have some articles in this guest posting business line. Have ideally 5 to 10 articles in your website, in your blog, in your personal brand. When people see with your signature, send it with the signature, nicely done signature. Have a photo if you can. If you don't want to have a photo, that's fine. Have the links, have a catchy signature. When they click on it, when they land on that page, like if you welcome there, hi, welcome, my name is so and so. Thanks for being on this website. I'm about to tell you how I can help you with the links that you're probably looking after, because you have created the intent when they're about to click, because you open up them on the email, right? When they click it, you welcome them with that thing, and they are going to be hooked, right? And then you send to the page, say, right, guys, go to this particular page, link below on this video, and you can see some of the sample sites, some of the publications, some of the publication sites that I've written. You want to really take to the next level, you actually get published on those sites under your name, because most of the sites like London Business News, UK Business Blog, UK Tech Blog, you can get an author profile by emailing to deal@clickdo.co.uk. Of course, there is a price to buy it if you want to buy it on a monthly level, or else you can just buy a one post to go under your name. And when people see that you already publish and that's your name, they're just gonna know you got the game, So that's the tips about the guest posting business model, how anybody can get started with the guest posting business model and really take things to make that moolah, make some moolah. And then while doing that one, you actually start scaling your SEO business. and start building your SEO business and to actually start getting the clients. If you're already having the clients, how to do that one already. Also, if you have those guest posting sites at a better price, you're getting the clients a better links, because you got to show them to them. So I'll most probably have a new updated few versions about the local SEO blueprint. By the time maybe you are seeing, you might be able to see that one at the Seacoast University. So go to Seacoast University, see the SEO blueprint, local SEO blueprint, and you will see some of those dynamics that I'm talking about. So all my best is to, guys, getting started, make more money in the SEO industry. It's a big industry. It's billions of dollars are circulating in the industry by the people, software sellers, SEO industry consultants and everything. So I started in the SEO industry and became a digital entrepreneur purely with the blessings of SEO money, which helped me start a Seeker Host, which is a sweet business we are building toward greatness. So yeah, check them out all. I wish you all the best. Have you any questions? Drop them below and hit the like button for this video. Spread the love. I'll see you back in the next video. Fernando Raymond.